when them do this, this is Union Street and this is East Street right here, that intersection right here. So this road going that direction is East Street, but this road here is Union Street. You remember when I showed you that old brick building? Oh my gosh, it gone. When them knock it down, let me come back up here. So, when them knock that down and what I'm putting there, I will link the video. I want to go over there and ask them, they will tell me. Hold on. Ew. My belly hurts. Oh my god. Way for a while because them dig up on everything. I will show the video. This was where the house that I thought was Rary's house. I mistook for Rary's house for a while. There is so much construction going on in Montego Bay. Can't keep track. I want them to build so. I'm gonna ask that guy out here. So now there's him go on the pancake. Remember Van Hayes building is right here and then Rary's house is up there. Oh gosh. Oh like gone. Hello sir. Hello. Hi, how are you? I'm not putting you on camera, don't worry. You know what I'm gonna build there, sir? I'm gonna be inquisitive. I'm gonna be very inquisitive. And oh gosh, I want other building when they're up there, so oh I can't ask. Sorry for interrupting. Careful. Why not put yourself? You don't know? When you're not done the building. From when? From last week, then do it?
Yeah,
people in that truck there? Work on it?
No, you just come here and take some metal. So I wouldn't know.
Gosh. Alright, yeah. But them are plan to put something here so if the man knock it down, so. Yeah, alright, thanks. You too. Let's take it from this side. Oh. It's all done.